Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how we can crack Azure 400 certification. This certification is related to DevOps Expert Guide so let us start with tips and tricks. What should you can do if you are going to prepare Azure 400 certification? So let me introduce. Welcome to the Azure 400 certification guide. My goal is to help you understand, prepare, and pass the AZ 400 certification exam. This is ideal for DevOps engineers, Azure administration, and developers. Full name is Designing and Implementation Microsoft DevOps Solutions for professional combining development and operation. Because in this profile, you are able to get to know about the development and operation both. Here your skills are measured in the DevOps practice using Azure tool. So this exam is clearly for the Azure. This is a very demanding profile nowadays. Lot of companies are working with Microsoft and they are using Azure tool for the DevOps. The next is what is the exam detail. Duration is around 120 minutes, 40 to 60 questions. I'm expecting that it is coming. In my case, it was coming at around 60 questions. All of the question, the format is multi-choice, case studies, some drag and drop. Passing score should be 700 out of 1000. Let me give you an example of one of my exam. I got 699 passing score and I got failed only by one exam in one of my AWS data engineer certification. So try to get your answer in such a way that at least you can get 750 or 800 so that you are having passing score. Otherwise your efforts you know going to be wastage if you are not getting 700 passing score. Prerequisite: you should know about Azure fundamental and it is recommended you know about Azure 104, some experience with CI/CD pipelines, version control and scripting, familiarity with Azure DevOps service and Git. Skill measure on the basis of these few parameters. First, you need to develop an instrumentation strategy, develop an SRE strategy. Third, security and compliance plan, how you can manage source control, facilitate communication and collaboration, implement CI/CD pipeline, dependency management. Study overview. So you can start your study with the Azure DevOps basics, source control, Git, CI/CD pipeline, YAML, code quality, CD release management, IAC, Terraform, and ARM. In week 5, you can cover this monitoring, and week 6 should be your practice test and mock exam. So your first week should be around Azure DevOps basic source control. In your third week, you can start to create your CI pipeline code quality. In your fourth week, you can go for CD and release management. In week 5, monitoring and ARM, and week 6 should be your practice test. So this is how you can plan your 1.5 month for your study plan for this exam. Top resources are Microsoft Learn, it should be free, Udemy and Tuller site courses. It's not free, let me tell you, but it will help you. Official exam reference book, practice test with slab measure up, Azure DevOps Labs. Focus on YAML. So how you can crack AZ 400. Your focus should be on YAML pipeline creation. Understand branching strategies like it flow from based. Practice infrastructure as code. Learn security best practice in DevOps and revise the mock exam. Let me give you some simple question strategy. So you need to read case studies carefully, eliminate wrong answer logically, and practice real exam format using online test engine. So whenever you are schedule your exam, you will get the chance an online exam, free online exam from the Microsoft itself. It is showing as a miserable. Final word is it 400 is challenging, but you can achieve, and it should be have hands-on labs and theory. In one of Udemy course, you can get hands-on lab, and stay consistent and subscribe for more certification guide. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment with your questions. All the best for your Is it 400 journey.